and gentlemen, welcome back. Before I begin today's scheduled viewing, I have a question for you. Have you ever been mauled by a bear? Like you're out camping and then some bear just comes and grabs your head, rips it off? Well, you'd be dead if that happened, but has it ever happened close to you? And if it has, I have just the solution for you. It's called a melon helmet. Okay, I came up with this last night. I was getting out the watermelon and I came across this thing, a melon baller. So I just started scooping out watermelon, eating it up, and I got to the point where it was this empty. This is over 2 days. I don't eat this much in one day. But I've gotten to the point where it's this empty, and I realized maybe if I fill it with plastic wrap, make it so I don't get water all over my hair, I can create a tactical helmet so when I do get mauled by a bear, I won't die and I won't get my head sliced off because I'll have my melon helmet. So what you're going to need for this is just one watermelon. These are pretty big, got these from Costco. You'll need a water. If you want a sanitized one, you'll need a little dish of water so you can dip the melon. God damn it. So you can dip the melon baller in to clean it. Now I'm all wet. God damn it. You'll need this little dish. Whenever you scoop up watermelon and it gets juicy inside, dump it out, dump all your mush, and you'll need some plastic wrap. Hold on, let me get it. Plastic wrap, 200 feet. Don't need 200 feet. But it'll still work. So what you want to do basically, really simple. You just scoop out some melon balls, eat them. You can scoop them into a bowl so you don't get your saliva all over it, but this is only for me, so I don't really care. So you have that, and once you get to about my amount of watermelon scooped out, you will take this melon ball and just scrape it. I'll give you a closer look on what it actually looks like. Okay, so this is your watermelon. There you go. So you're gonna want to take this and just scrape it until you have this emptiness and until it actually feels like a hollowed out shell. I'm gonna give you a time lapse of me scraping it. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so now that I'm finished scooping all of my goop out, this is what your goop should look like. Looks really gross, because it is probably super gross. So now the final part of the watermelon headpiece. So you have to get some plastic wrap. And since it'll stick naturally to the watermelon, you don't need to put any sticky solution on it. Just rip off a piece and you plug it in there. This part's kind of messy and hard, and you kind of want to have it like a wrap around the edge. so it'll be easy for the final part. You can do any amount you want at a time, and you don't have to just do it in one piece. You can do it however you would like. So this is what it looks like right here. And for the final part, I forgot to mention, you're gonna need some packing tape. Couldn't find packing tape, so I got Gorilla Tape instead. I've got long nails, so it'll be easier to peel for me. Scissors are optional. You're just gonna put tape here like this so it doesn't, so all the juice doesn't run out, because that would be pretty gross. It would be disgusting, actually. Any uneven pieces you can just snip off, like this one. I guess you don't have to have tape, but that's only if your watermelon isn't that juicy. Okay, boys, here it is. I'm gonna put it on. It works. Yeah, make a watermelon helmet so bears don't attack you. It's dripping juice. But either way, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video if I upload it in 2 weeks. So goodbye. Have a fun time. Play some good video games. And happy end of summer. See ya.